Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Sleep and Hibernate not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select hardware and sound. Select power options. In here you just need to select the change plan settings. The selected one you just need to select it and select change advanced power setting. And in here you just need to scroll down, click on the PCI Express plus icon, and click on the plus icon in link state power management, and click on this setting and click on the drop down and select turn it off. After that select apply and OK for save changes. After doing it, go back and select choose what the power buttons do. And in here you just need to select change settings that are currently unavailable. Under shutdown settings you can able to see fast startup. You just need to uncheck it guys. If turn on fast startup is checked mark over here, then you just need to uncheck it and then select save changes to save it and just to close stuff here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the assigned solution guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just to copy and paste it. Copy and paste this two commands, turn off and turn it on. And after doing it, just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this third command. Just to copy and paste it. And after finishing this third command, you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.